I mean, there have been some strong ones there, but this is certainly going to be one for the record books, I can tell you, and not in a good way. Let me show you what's happening here with Michael this morning as a Category 4 storm strengthening since the 2 a.m. update from 130-mile-per-hour winds to 140-mile-per-hour sustained winds. Those are just the sustained winds. There's higher gusts than that, possibly a near Category 5 hurricane wind gusts coming out of this thing as it moves up to the north here. We can turn it, you can just see how huge it is right now with tropical storm force winds extending out 175 miles from the center. Hurricane warnings in red all along the coast here. This is also the same area where we could see a 9 to 13 foot storm surge as the storm moves on shore. But there's also going to be a hefty storm surge through the Big Bend part of Florida and down toward Tampa, St. Pete, as that is on the stronger side of the storm as it continues to move up to the north here. Now it's going to move northeast, eventually moving off to the northeast through the Carolinas and through Georgia. But it remains a Category 4 landfall, which should occur around 2 to 3 o'clock this afternoon, and then a Category 1 through Georgia, eventually weakening to a tropical storm before moving offshore through Virginia, possibly by the time we get to Friday morning. Let's bring it on home here and talk a little bit about our rainfall. We're caught in this southerly flow around Michael. Michael has a huge influence over the atmosphere. So on the way outer side of the circulation around Michael, there's this southerly flow coming up. That's what's going to carry our rainfall from south to north throughout the day today. Vipercast shows you the potential for rain moving through. Not all day long. There's going to be some sunshine, but there will be rounds of showers and a few thunderstorms moving south to north today. It's about a 50% chance for rainfall today, 60% tomorrow. Still plenty of moisture around as Michael moves to our north, 50% on Friday, and then it does decrease for the weekend down to about 40%. Also hot and windy today and tomorrow.